Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon to all of you. I hope you are well. My name is Hakimuddin. I am from Chittagong and I also from a middle class family. I have completed my graduation from National University. Currently, I work as an entrepreneur. My main job is dealing customer for maximum sales. I enjoy learning new things about how to develop my business. I like to learn AI tools, meta marketing, etc. My favorite sport is cricket. My favorite food is mango. My hobby is gardening, catching fish, swimming, and traveling, etc. My passion is learn about new things that can help growing my business. I am pleased to meet you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.